In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work faster in Cursor with interpreter mode and AI-assisted terminal commands. By the end, you'll know how to turn natural language instructions into working Python code and safe, reviewable shell commands, all without breaking your flow. Let's start with interpreter mode. This mode lets the AI agent generate and run executable Python code directly for you. Think of it as an on-demand, interactive Python environment that listens to plain English and responds with runnable code plus the results. You describe the task, summarizing a dataset, automating a small transformation, or prototyping a function, and the AI drafts the Python, runs it, and shows you outputs and any errors in line. You keep full visibility. You can read the code before it runs, see printed output, and inspect exceptions so you understand what's happening. Interpreter mode shines when you iterate. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your instruction. Ask for more logging, adjust a parameter, or request a different algorithm. The agent will rerun the code and keep you in the loop with updated results. When the task touches your workspace, clearly mention file names or paths so the AI knows exactly what to read or write. If dependencies are involved, be explicit about versions or constraints, and ask the agent to verify imports at the start to catch issues early. A helpful habit is to request brief comments in the generated code so you can maintain or reuse it later. Now let's look at the dedicated terminal commands. This feature translates natural language into shell commands and can execute them for you. You describe what you want, like initializing a project, searching files, or formatting code, and the AI proposes a command. Before anything runs, review the suggestion. You can ask the agent to explain what each flag does, modify the command, or broaden or narrow the scope. When you're confident, confirm to execute, and you'll see the command's output right in your terminal. These commands streamline repetitive tasks and help you work safely. Always read the proposed command, especially when it touches files, installs packages, or interacts with remote resources. If you're unsure, ask the agent to perform a dry run or to show a no-op variant first. You can chain requests naturally, generate a command, run it, then follow up with another adjustment, keeping the whole workflow conversational. Together, interpreter mode and AI-assisted terminal commands turn ideas into results quickly while keeping you in control. Use plain language, review what's proposed, iterate confidently, and watch your development loop get faster and clearer.